That's my clutch, that's my front brake.
You just don't have a left off. Wow.
No. Got a bionic one in the bag as well, I sometimes wear. A bionic one, opens and closes.
Oh, right. So what have you got on
This is just a generic prosthetic that does nothing.
So what about indicator?
Bash 'em.
We're Neil and Lizzie, two midlifers doing things our way on two wheels. We've left our home in Scotland and we've set off towards Spain on our No Big Plan tour. We're currently in the north of England. We know where we're heading, but how we'll get there, what happens afterwards, and also what happens along the way is anyone's guess.
Kickstand up, sun on my face. No big plan, just open space.
Morning.
Breakfast on the go.
Oh, we're at a hotel. Good at a pub with a room.
Yeah, not such a good hotel. This morning we're off from Darlington and we're going over to a place called Goole. And then from Goole we're going down to Lincolnshire, Louth in Lincolnshire. So we're going to meet some people along the way. At a place where we was going to be camping, but we're not now.
Why aren't we camping?
We're not camping because
Got no tent.
we haven't got the tent with us now. Somebody else has got it. But we will be meeting up with them.
Decision not to lug it all around with it.
Yeah, we're not lugging it all around. We're going to meet up with them anyway and get it back for when we go over to Spain. So, right, let's get cracking.
The taste as sweet as candy, her lips are cherry red, skin soft as silk in the moonlight, a storm inside her head. She moved like trouble waiting, with fire behind her eyes. One look and I was falling.
We've arrived. Let's go and...
Wow, you would not believe how beautiful the weather is in Goole, in Yorkshire.
Man, it is roasting. Come on.
We've all come all the way from Scotland, where it was quite chilly when we left, and went through quite a lot of rain, didn't we?
Yeah.
But today has been absolutely boiling.
Blistering. Yeah, we've been rained on and
What is it they
a lot
call
of wind,
it?
but
Cracking flags.
yeah, it's cracking flags down here.
Cracking flags.
Yeah.
Tucked away in the Yorkshire village of Syke House, Will's Cafe is a biker-themed stop with a warm welcome for everyone. Set inside the Old George Inn, it serves hearty breakfasts, satisfying lunches and freshly brewed drinks. The perfect place to refuel, relax and enjoy some proper Yorkshire hospitality.
But when she looks at me like that,
I think we like this place. It's, yeah, can't stop looking around. I love that. We've done a few hours this morning, riding from Darlington down to Goole. Yeah, we're both feeling it. We know we've been on a trip, put it that way, don't we, Liz?
Yeah, we do.
So,
And are we enjoying it? Absolutely. That's good. And not only that, we've got dogs here as well. One down there,
Yes.
a little Labrador. I don't know, little Mr. Magico.
can't believe how sunny it is. It's so warm.
Cracking flags, as they say.
Cracking flags. It's called Will's Cafe, and it's in Goole. And there is Charlie and Ewan McGregor. Charlie Ball and Ewan McGregor.
Yeah, you're right, as I was doing it.
Yeah.
Come on, get him on.
Come on, get in the picture. And you, Liz.
I'm in. There we go.
Where are we? We're at the
Wheels Cafe.
Bikes, brew and cake. That's it. How could I forget?
You'll probably pass us because I'm not that fast. You take care. Tell Gina we said hi. Oh. Let me get on first, babe.
I love the little interactions you have with people and just find out little snippets of people's lives. And we're like Lizzie and I used to love Quantum Leap. Don't know if you've ever seen it, but there was a show back in the, I think, 90s, 80s, 90s, and a guy called Sam, didn't he? He used to transport into people's lives, and he'd just, you know, he would have an interaction with different people's lives and change their lives forever. And it's kind of like that on a motorcycle tour, isn't it? We just appear in people's lives, and, you know, just for a short time, we're time travelers. We just arrived, and we took a bit of a chance riding up this section because the car park section is all gravel. And me and Lizzie knew we didn't want to go on the gravel, so we took a chance to come out because the hut that we're staying in is there at the Hats Hut. Yeah, 4 days. Mixbury in Oxfordshire. Beautiful little place. I'm not sure about the bath though.
It's a mum thing.
Well, hands up, who recognises this?
Right. Should the helmets go on there?
Yes, darling.
That way.
Your guard off?
No.
Don't think mine is, I don't know, I'll check it later. Tell you what, it's great to have these mesh trousers on because that was the hottest ride this year in England. It was sweltering. It's like 75, 80 degrees today. So in new money, that's like 30 degrees. Somewhere in my pannier is a coffee grinder. And I need to get it. Don't leave home without your coffee grinder. Okay, this is where I keep my spare rucksack, okay? So it's a hydration pack as well. So when it gets hot, it's just tucked in there.
I've loved a few lost highways and hearts that couldn't stay, and promises like dust clouds blown away by yesterday. Thought maybe I was drifting, just a soul without a place, till I saw the world reflected in the lines upon your face. Every mile I rode along was leading me back home. Now I'm riding right beside you through the mountains and the sky, two wild hearts on open roads.
Even though it's nice and quiet here, we still put the light locks on and keep them secured.
Make you feel right. Make you feel right. Yeah.
tell me you're struggling in the heat wearing a prosthetic without telling me you're struggling in the heat.
In a little old town.
Don't call me Sweaty Betty for nothing.
If you pull the top one in, oh, I can't see it. Right, so did you do it?
Made it sweet with ration books and dancing feet. Oh, you're my
So that's taking the black out of it. Right.
through the blacked out night.
Start out and see, feel your butt. You alright with that?
Don't need riches,
We'll see how it is.
just your hand in
And,
mine when the night feels cold.
yeah, just that bag's hanging down a bit onto that.
Easy, happy, side by side.
No,
World got heavy, love got strong, and they kept that hope.
yeah, it's not, but we need to think about pulling that up, even if it's just onto there when it's on its own. Right, let that be a lesson to us. We nearly went off with the light locks on. How bad are we?
Stood for kindness, stood for home, for never letting good hearts stand alone. And when the sirens faded away, that love still danced into the day. Oh, you're my baby, I love you so. Through the blacked out nights and the morning glow, we don't need riches, silver or gold, just your hand in mine when the night feels cold. Two souls finding each other, easy, happy, side by side. When the world got heavy, love got strong, and they kept that hopeful rhythm.